Have you ever checked your bag at the airport, waved goodbye to it on the conveyor belt, and secretly wondered if you'd ever see it again? You're not alone. Airports look sleek and efficient on the outside, but behind those walls, there's an entirely different story, one of chaos, confusion, and yes, even crime. Travelers lose thousands of bags every single day. Some vanish into thin air, some get ransacked, and some just take a little detour and show up in the wrong country. The good news? Most of these disasters can be avoided if you know the traps to look out for. That's what we're diving into today. I'm going to walk you through the 15 biggest luggage security mistakes travelers make all the time. Mistakes that leave bags vulnerable to theft, tampering, or disappearing completely. And I'm not just pointing out the problems, I'm giving you the insider fixes so your bag stays safe from check-in to carousel. Stay tuned, because mistake number one is so common even seasoned travelers fall for it, and it could leave your suitcase wide open to anyone. Let's get started. Mistake number 15, using cheap, flimsy locks. Let's kick this off with the most obvious one, locks. You'd think that locking your suitcase automatically makes it safe. But here's the truth. Cheap locks are worse than no locks at all. Why? Because a flimsy lock is like a neon sign that says, "I'm trying to protect something valuable." And the worst part? Most baggage thieves know how to pop those $5 locks in seconds, sometimes with nothing more than a pen or a paperclip. Even TSA-approved locks, while convenient for inspections, aren't foolproof. They all use universal master keys, and copies of those keys have leaked online. That means if someone wants to get into your bag badly enough, they can. So what's the smart move? Invest in a durable, tamper-evident lock from a trusted brand. Or even better, use zipperless luggage with built-in combination locks. It doesn't just keep thieves out, it shows you if someone even tried to tamper with it. Your bag deserves more than a dollar store padlock. Mistake number 14, leaving your bag unattended, even for a second. You know that moment. You're in the check-in line, you turn to grab a form, or you step aside for a phone call, leaving your bag right there. Harmless, right? Wrong. Unattended bags are magnets for trouble. Thieves love distracted travelers. A bag left alone for even 30 seconds can vanish. And here's the kicker. If airport security spots it before a thief does, it can be treated as a security threat. You might come back to find your luggage has been confiscated, or worse, blown up as a precaution. Always keep your luggage either in your hand, at your feet, or strapped to something. Traveling alone? Wrap a strap around your ankle when sitting down, so you literally feel if someone tries to grab it. It sounds paranoid, but in airports, seconds matter. Mistake number 13, skipping a luggage tag or ID. Picture this. Your bag takes a wrong turn, ends up in another city, and there's no name, no number, no clue who it belongs to. At that point, it's not lost luggage. It's abandoned property. Too many travelers skip luggage tags because they don't want their information on display. I get it, but here's the balance. Use a sturdy luggage tag with your first name, phone number, and email address only. Leave out your home address. It just tells thieves where you live. Better yet, slip a business card or contact sheet inside your bag as well. If the tag outside gets ripped off, airlines can still trace it back to you. No ID, no reunion with your bag. Simple as that. Mistake number 12, using identical black suitcases. Take a look at the baggage carousel next time you land. What do you see? An endless sea of black, rectangular suitcases. They all look the same. This is how bags get accidentally picked up, sometimes by mistake, sometimes on purpose. Thieves love blending in. If your bag looks like everyone else's, it's easy for someone to walk off with it unnoticed. Solution? Make your bag stand out. Use a bold-colored suitcase, or if you like classic black, add a bright luggage strap, neon handle wrap, or unique sticker. Some travelers even paint a stripe across their case. The point is to make your bag unmistakably yours. If someone tries to walk off with it, you'll know instantly. Mistake number 11, checking bags with valuables inside. I can't stress this one enough. Never put valuables in your checked luggage. I'm talking about laptops, jewelry, passports, cameras, hard drives, even cash. Once that bag disappears behind the conveyor belt, it's out of your control. If it gets lost, stolen, or even just delayed, you're out of luck. Airlines don't cover valuables in lost luggage claims, so good luck getting compensation for your MacBook or gold watch. The rule of thumb is simple. If it would ruin your trip to lose it, keep it in your carry-on or personal bag, period. Mistake number 10, overpacking to the point of bursting. When your suitcase is stuffed to the brim, it's not just inconvenient, it's a security risk. Overstuffed bags put pressure on zippers, which can burst open mid-transit. That makes it easy for thieves, or just gravity, to spill your belongings everywhere. Not only that, but a bulging bag practically screams, "There's a lot in here worth taking." Travel smart. Pack what you need, not your entire closet. Use compression cubes for efficiency. And remember, airlines have strict weight limits. Overpacked bags often get flagged, opened, or repacked by staff, giving strangers more opportunities to access your belongings. Mistake number 9, not weighing your bag before check-in. This is where many travelers get caught off guard. You roll up to the counter, hand over your suitcase, and boom, you're told it's overweight. Now you're forced to unzip your life in the middle of the terminal, shuffling clothes and gadgets between bags while a line of irritated passengers builds behind you. It's stressful, messy, and makes you vulnerable. Worse, overweight bags draw attention. Staff may open them, leaving your valuables exposed. And overweight fees? Brutal. The solution is easy. Carry a small digital luggage scale and weigh your bag at home. Know your airline's weight limits. If you're close, wear heavier clothes on the plane or shift items into your personal bag. Control the weight before the airline does. Mistake number 8, ignoring luggage insurance. Here's something most people don't think about until it's too late. Insurance. If your bag disappears or gets damaged, airlines will compensate you, but only up to a point. And usually it's nowhere near what your belongings are actually worth. That's where luggage insurance comes in. Many travel credit cards include it automatically. Standalone travel insurance often covers lost or stolen luggage too. It's a small investment that pays off big when things go wrong, because replacing an entire suitcase full of clothes, tech, and personal items out of pocket can cost a fortune. Mistake number 7, packing liquids without protection. We've all seen it. Someone's shampoo explodes mid-flight, soaking their clothes in sticky goo. Not only does it ruin your stuff, but wet, messy luggage often gets flagged for extra inspection. Always double bag liquids in sealable plastic pouches. Better yet, transfer them into travel-sized bottles and keep them in the middle of your suitcase, surrounded by clothes for padding. This isn't just about keeping your shirts clean. It's about preventing anything that looks suspicious from slowing you down at security. Mistake number 6, ignoring the risk of bag swaps. Here's a sneaky one. Some thieves actually swap luggage tags at the airport. They'll slap their tag onto your nice suitcase and put your tag on their beat-up one. Guess which bag gets delivered to them at baggage claim? It's rare, but it happens. And unless you've marked your bag clearly, it's hard to prove ownership on the spot. That's why photographing your bag before check-in is crucial. Snap a picture of the exterior and the airline tag once it's attached. If something shady happens, you've got evidence ready to show staff. Mistake number 5, leaving bags unlocked in hotel storage. You finally land, get to your hotel, and your room isn't ready yet. No problem. You leave your bag at the hotel storage room. But here's the mistake, leaving it unlocked. Hotel storage rooms see dozens, sometimes hundreds of bags pass through daily. Staff are busy, tourists are in and out, and not all of those eyes are trustworthy. Always lock your luggage, even in safe storage areas. Better yet, use a tamper-proof luggage strap. It's not about being suspicious, it's about being smart. Mistake number 4, forgetting to track your luggage. We live in 2025. Technology is on your side, yet many travelers still fly blind when it comes to their bags. Apple AirTags, Samsung Smart Tags, and Tile trackers are game changers. Slip one into your suitcase, and you'll know exactly where it is at all times. Lost luggage? You'll know if it's sitting in the wrong city before the airline even does. Tracking devices don't just give you peace of mind, they give you leverage. When staff say, "We're not sure where your bag is," you can say, "Actually, it's still sitting at JFK Gate 34. That changes everything. Mistake number 3, using old or damaged suitcases. That suitcase you've been dragging around since college? It might be sentimental, but it's a liability. Old zippers break, worn handles snap, thin shells crack under pressure. And once your bag is damaged mid-flight, you're at the mercy of duct tape and airline apologies. More importantly, damaged bags are easy targets. A thief doesn't even need tools if your zipper is already half broken. Invest in modern, durable luggage. Look for hard shells, reinforced zippers, and strong wheels. It's not just about looks, it's about protection. Mistake number 2, overlooking security at the carousel. Here's where a lot of travelers let their guard down. You've landed, you're tired, you're waiting at the carousel, scrolling your phone. Meanwhile, thieves are watching for exactly that moment. Carousel theft is shockingly common. Bags are snatched every day, sometimes within seconds of arriving on the belt. Stay alert. Stand close to the carousel. Watch each bag as it comes out. If you see someone trying to grab a bag and leave in a hurry, say something. Better to be cautious than bagless. Mistake number 1, trusting the system too much. Finally, the biggest mistake of all, blind trust. Most travelers believe that once they hand over their suitcase, it's safe, that the airline, the airport, and the staff are all looking out for them. The truth? The system is designed for efficiency, not your personal security. Bags get lost. Tags get swapped. Opportunists strike when you're distracted. That doesn't mean you should travel in fear, but it does mean you should travel smart. Mark your bag, lock it, track it, insure it, keep valuables with you, and never assume someone else cares about your luggage more than you do. Because at the end of the day, your suitcase isn't just a bag. It's your trip, your memories, your essentials. And protecting it starts with you. Flying in 2025 doesn't have to feel like gambling with your belongings. With a little preparation and a lot of awareness, you can move through airports with total confidence, knowing your luggage is safe. If you found this guide helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to BoardiFly, and share this with a friend who always loses a bag. Because the smarter we all travel, the fewer bags disappear into the chaos of the airport. Safe travels, and I'll see you on your next flight.